for Hollywood.
Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. So here's what's going on. It's powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper. Spring is finally here. Don't daydream about a new vehicle. Make it a reality during the award season event. Choose a new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram. Chrysler of Culpeper.com. Where the shit happens! Okay, listen, David Letterman, he's on his way out. You know what I'm saying? So he rolled out the new host carpet. Yes, he did. Stephen Colbert stopped by The Late Show and decided he was going to try it out, you know, try the top 10 list. It was okay for me, just okay. Because, you know, I was on a different train than the Stephen Colbert train, but whatever. They kind of look cute together, the two of them, with the glasses and the suits. That kind of look, that's the only thing that I found positive about the whole thing, okay? So he's looking forward to taking over next year. Courtney Cox says it was more than just a break because guess what? She is ruining dreams for sure now. She, in her latest interview, says, guess what? Nope, not gonna happen. Friends reunion, never going to happen. She's been trying to get a dinner together with some of the cast members, actually all of the cast members, and she can't even do that. So if they can't get together for dinner, they're not having a reunion. All right, Ellen, she needs another show, right? Because I feel like she's not getting enough press. Ellen DeGeneres is very excited about a new show that she's gonna be having on HGTV. It's all about furniture because she likes to redo furniture. Well, guess what? It's called Ellen's Design Challenge. 6 contestants. They're going to be designing and building furniture in 24 hours, and it's going to be a great competition next year that starts on HGTV. Get all your entertainment news at B1015.com. Keyword E. Mwah.